topic today? Can anybody say?
The English must
English
remain
must
the
remain
official
the
language of India.
Exactly. So English must be the official language of India. So while thinking about English, so English came to the country when? Before independent?
yes, sir.
And from that day it has a special place in India. Even though Hindi is our what? Hindi is our what? National language we can say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt there are different articles are there those indicate that Hindi is the official language of India, but still there is a contraction. There is a what? There is a fight between this because if we declare Hindi is only the official language, then also a problem is going to rise up from Karnataka side or Tamil Nadu side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So as we all know that India is a country. It is a country in diversity.
Sir.
So we have more than 100 languages, right? So we are thinking that the English is the global language. It's the international language. That's why in our academic also we see it is the second official language or the second language in our academics. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is that how you are going to treat. It's a openly language fight. Whether we should declare English as the official language or not, what are the cons are there, the benefits of it, advantages and disadvantages. Let's have a look on it. So first, I will give chance to each and everyone to represent their point, whether it is going to be or not. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
I will invite each and every individual to prove their point and they will share their remarks on it, whether it is going to be or not. So, first of all, in the debate, okay, let me invite Anushree Mahanti. Anushree Mahanti, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, could you please tell us about the topic? Can you please start the debate?
So first benefits
It is
It's
your personal opinion.
yes, sir.
The topic is what? It's a debatable one.
Yes, sir.
And the other people, you must listen to her and you can cross verify. You can have the question at the end after she completed. Like आप लोगों को अभी सुनना है वो इसके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं, उनका राय क्या है. अगर उनके राय के हिसाब से आप लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है, then you can raise a question also. For example, if somebody say Modi is a killer, so I'm not agree with it, so I'm going to fight against it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Definitely, in the same way. So now Anushree is going to say something about whether the English is going to be the official language or not in his own her thought. Okay, now Anushree, your time start now.
So according to my point, English language is very important compared to different languages, and everyone understand easily, and it is professional language. Industrial sector, all people they communicate only using English language, and no, English should be considered as a vital language to learn and should be made compulsory and should be taught in school, college, universities. mm, and mm, knowledge of English is very important, and every Indian must make an attempt to learn it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, Since English is considered as one of the major language, and it is been spoken in most part of the world, it should be kept as an official language. By making it official, India will India will open its business easier, and international relation also.
Okay.
And English should continue to be the official language of India, because all of our government work is being done is English, our education system, and most of the literature in India in now being written in English.
Mhm.
So I will definitely support English, because our India become a developed country, but it is only possible when English is our official language.
Okay. So your opinion is yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I request all the students who have any question regarding to this to Anushree. Anybody have any question for her? Do you have any against point? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. She said in the initial point that what point she say in the initial, like what happened? In the beginning part, what she said? Like what? Most of the people in India speak in English. Is it true?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
We see that around more than 60% of the people are living in rural area. In my village, more than out of 100, more than 80 people are not able to read, write, or speak in English.
Yes, sir. Only English is only used in official only.
Okay, if we declare the English as an official language, then what about this illiterate? What they will do with it? Have you not seen most of the people, they are from village area, they are waiting in a long row only to fill up a form for deposit or withdraw? Is there is a problem? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And at the end part, she said that as India is going to be a developed country, it is a developing nation, so India must have the official language called English. But don't you know that English is also copied from variety of languages?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And can I say, without having any culture or tradition, can I only say India is a developed country without culture and tradition? That's also a point. Okay, I have seen many of the people in India. They are protesting against the Western culture. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. But still, there are some country those who are still maintaining their own language. Let's say China, Mandarin. Mandarin is their official languages. Now tell me, are they are not doing business with other country?
Yes, sir. Pakistan.
Yes, Pakistan also Urdu is the official language. Are they are not dealing with the other country?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that we will see in the end. I mean to say that when somebody is saying something, you too have the responsibility to please respond to her question. Like for example, just now Anushree said, so you have to cross question her so that she will reply a little bit more point. Is it clear, everybody?
Sure. Yes.
Yes.
We are just okay. What we can do? Tell me now. If I want to declare as English as the official language, can I declare or can we declare? No. Can we declare any amendment for this or what?
No, sir.
Who can do that?
Prime
Government.
Only the government. Even the Prime Minister want also he can't do alone. He need a lot of support for this.
Yes, sir.
You see, all the time there is a fight between language.
Yes, sir.
There is a fight going on. Yes. Okay. So now I will invite another more person to share their personal view about it. Next contestant, next debater, Junurani Das.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please go ahead.
My opinion is English is a official language, but India is a second largest population country. Most of the people are illiterate, so do not understand English easily. But English is helps us to go outside another country. So English is most important. But
Yes.
India, so we are going. If I we are visit our India in India any state, so English is uh, not necessary. But sir, almost people are not understanding our English. So, sir, my point of view is English is a official language, but uh,
Okay, right now what we can say? Currently, English is only the associate official language of the Indian Union. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Only the official one. At home, is it mandatory to talk in English?
No,
No, sir.
No. So we have our own choice or not?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Like in China, do you think the Chinese people are not talking in English?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are talking, but they made a policy that in their country everything is going to be in which language? Mandarin?
And
Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
Sir,
Can I
example,
can
Netherlands is a country.
Mhm.
His official language is Dutch.
Okay. Then what is the problem in India? Where is the problem?
Sir, India's people are almost illiterate.
No, that is not the point. The point is that we have what? Not only one or two people in the country.
Yes, sir.
There are different communities are there, groups are there, and more than 1,000 languages are there. So when we have multiple languages, assume that if I declare in Orissa, let's say, if in Orissa if we declare the Odia as the official language, still Odia is not the official language, yes or no?
Yes.
Local language.
Wherever you see any notification, whenever you see any notification or advertisement, you are getting in which language? Tell me.
Odia.
Odia language.
Due to say local language.
Exactly. Here the local people are
Everywhere we are
also.
used है bilingual. Bilingual. Local language एक और एक English. So
Yes.
both.
So even you see that in the like some time ago, the Orissa government decided and promulgated a word, promulgated made it a new law that every shopkeeper must write their soap name or any company name and others name in Odia. Is that work in Orissa? No. Do you think the Zomato people are going to write their word Zomato in Odia?
Sir, then.
Right? So there are a lot of points to discuss. Okay, so is it over, Jhulu Rani? This is your point. So what do you say? You are in the favor or you are in the against?
No, sir. English.
So what is your point? You say that English must remain the official language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will come to another participant, Puspa Priyadarshini.
Hello.
Yes, Puspa, your turn now.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, I will definitely support. English is used as the official language in India. Actually, English is a universal language, and if it will be the official language, then means it should be the language which will be understood easily by everyone. And nowadays in our life we can find out the importance of English. In India, English is a secondary language, and uh, from the school level. So if we go for an interview, always English is a basic language. According to Google, 80% people telling in English. So English is a globalization language, and we not to make it national language. We make it optional language. So our main point in computer, we also typing in English, not in Hindi. So so that I think.
Okay, so your point is to
Yes.
clear. It is clear that English must going to be the official language, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will invite Rasmita Sahu about this point.
Sir, I am agree English is a official language, but sometimes we are that use only where is it easy to communication to each other. अगर ऑफिस में we are if we use in office, then we understand कि every person understand everything, and in office it's local language से bright spread एक बड़ा सेंटेंस को छोटा सेंटेंस में इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं, and some in office use English due to some technical things not right in local language, so you use in English there, but in office always it bilingual use. One is local language and other than is English. In our country, people are judging people about her knowledge speaking of the English. My opinion is where necessary to talk in English to communicate properly, that time you can use English, otherwise local language is best to communicate and understand each other.
Exactly. You mean to say that when it is necessary, then only we can go for it.
Sir.
Yes, there are many instances are also over there. Actually, I have met many people in my life. So even though once I meet a professor, he's a PhD scholar and having around 35 years of experience in English. But in front of them, some of the newbie people, some newcomers, they are talking in English. Even though he is that much experienced, he is not talking in English. He is talking in his original language, which is called Sambalpur. So there are some people are still there, even though they know the language, but they don't want to speak because they feel like that they are not getting the test what they are getting in their original language. Now tell me one thing, everybody. When you enter your home after 10 years, for example, you are staying outside India for last 10 years, let's say, when you return your home, are you going to say, hi mommy, how are you, what's up, how are you doing? Are you going to talk like this?
No, 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 sir.
So what you are going to say? Ma kenti ocho ke bhalo ocho na nai? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like
So,
this.
are you getting the same feelings while you are talking in English?
No.
No, sir.
Why that is not? Because from the childhood we grown up with which language? In Oriya, right? So even though English is very important, but in home we are not talking. Okay. Anyhow, there is another point raised here that, sir, that we are not getting the feelings what we are. Who is this? Jyoti Sagar, please turn off your audio. Now this is fine. Okay. So as we come to know, one more point here added that when we are talking in English, we are not getting the feelings. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Find out some other point. Now I will invite Kranti into the debate. Kranti, what is your point of view?
I am agree with this statement that in English should our national language in India because we are very poor in English. As we are getting we are getting more priority or we are giving more priority to our national language which is Hindi. If we are not with English language in future, if we will get the opportunity to go out of our country, at that time we will suffer more only for our language because Hindi is not national language in other countries. They will not understand our language. At that time we will face more problem during our communication of the people of that country. This is the first thing. As that reason we should know the English. Uh,
Okay, Kranti, please wind up your points.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kranti, now audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, now all the books are also written in English. We are able to reading English, but not communicate with English because lack of habituation. Because when the English will be our official language, at that time we will habituate in that language, and also we are suffer less than now because we are very poor in English that we are suffering more in during communication. In latter generation also suffer more because when we want to teach them in English medium school, they are learning English in the schools that is appropriate for them because from childhood they are learning English from the school and they will habituate with that language, but when they come back to home they started communicate with their parents or their family members. If family members will not acquainted with English, the communication will break between students, between children and their parents. If government will declare the English language the official language of India, um, people of latter generations will benefit from this, and they will start learn English slowly. After habituation, they can also learn English, and the communication between their children, English medium children who are learning in English medium schools or colleges, and their parents will easier.
Okay.
That's all, sir.
So Kranti, here you said one point that, sir, if the children are getting the knowledge of English from the foundation level,
Yes, sir.
then in future it is going to be helpful to them.
Yes, sir.
But if we see the reality of India, like most of the people are what living below the BPL, below poverty
Yes, sir.
line. So do you think that they are able to afford this English teaching course or English school or college
Sir,
for their children?
every parents wants that their children will
Definitely
uh,
agree. Definitely, I agree with your point that every parent wants that their child must learn in a good school or
yes,
college, right?
yes, sir.
But if we
So
check out the ground,
when their children will learn English from their schools or colleges after reaching the home, they start
Mhm.
communicate with their parents and they want communicate their parents with English, but if their parents are not acquainted with English language, at that time the parents will suffer.
that's a long time to go. As
Yes,
you see the current situation in Odia medium school,
yes,
you know the quality, you know everything. So what we can do, the government can only bring a revolution in the government school for this.
yes, sir.
Like there are some, I have seen some of the video goes viral from different government school that the student are talking in English.
Yes, yes,
One video got viral once year ago. A child is standing, another child is coming, then say, "Good morning, how are you? Where are you? Why you are so late today?" This or that. So it's happened only in what? Just a
revolution
few
in
school,
school.
only in few school.
Yes, sir.
So if the teachers, if the teachers or mentor, they want it to be implemented, if they want it to be applied on the government school also, don't you think it is possible?
Yes, sir.
Because you have well-trained teacher in the government school
Yes, sir. Yes,
and they are getting a high salary also.
yes, sir.
Because 50,000 salary is not a small salary in Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So your point of view is that, Granti, you are agreed with the point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, thank you. Let me move to one more participant. Next, I will invite Jyoti Sagar Jaina. Mr. Jyoti Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti Sagar, please tell us what is your point of view. Up to now, you have seen Kranti, Anusri, and one, two more participants. They are most of the people are saying that it must remain the official language of India. What about your opinion?
Yes, we support that English is a language that can understand by the people of different castes and different states,
Mhm.
and there should be an official language. If any other language be an official language, all regions being official cannot understand this. So it may be a official language.
Okay.
For all the different castes of people, India have their own nation and own language, is Hindi, and should only be official language of India.
You see, in most part of the India, people are also talking in Hindi. Now tell me, in India, Hindi is understandable by most of the people or not?
Yes,
In
sir.
India,
Most of the
most of
people
the
can
people, they
understand
understand Hindi or not.
Hindi. Yes, sir.
So if they understand, can I declare Hindi as the official language? Can we declare?
Mm,
Can we declare or not, Jyoti Sagar?
no, sir.
Why?
Because
Why?
all the do not know.
Your voice is breaking, Jyoti Sagar. Make sure about your network. Okay, Jyoti Sagar, the last point. Jyoti Sagar, please tell me your opinion is yes or no? No, your voice is not coming, Jyoti Sagar. Your point is what? You are agreed with it or you are not agree? No. Your voice is breaking. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you, Jyoti Sagar. Don't worry, we'll come back to you. Okay, next participant,
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Tell me.
Samyaranjan Mishra. Jyoti Sagar, I was asking what is your opinion? You are saying yes or no for this?
Yes, English is official language.
Okay, that is your point of view. Now we'll move to another participant. Samyaranjan Mishra, you there? Next, Samyaranjan Mishra. Samyaranjan, are you there? The voice is not coming. No, the voice is breaking somewhere. And I request everybody to reconnect. I request everyone to please reconnect.